Hi, so I'm coming in back quickly. I did a video that you probably say first before this one, but I'm coming in to encourage you. I've been on a call with a client, and one of the things that we miss out on and don't emphasize is that part of your healing involves you being able to forgive yourself. It's very easy to reach out and ask for forgiveness to the people that you've hurt. One of the things that happen is when the Holy Spirit has done his work in you and you can submit and surrender to him, he shows you the things that you have done wrong in the past and points certain individuals that you need to go and fix your issues with, where you humble yourself with a contrite heart and sincerity to ask for forgiveness. And when you are done with that, you also have to remember to forgive yourself. You can never extend love to others that you're not extending to yourself. So you can measure how good you will be with others by how you handle yourself. Give yourself a break. You are trying, and you are not saved by your own works. You are saved by grace. Give yourself grace. This is not to say don't expect excellence, but at the same time, give yourself grace. This is a hard season. The marriage stand is not easy. Standing for any promise from God is not child's play. It requires maturity to stand at a place of maturity. So wherever you are in your journey, remember to look back and thank God. You are not where you used to be. Even though you are not where you want to be, remember you are not where you used to be. Give yourself some grace and be thankful to God for the work he is doing in you, the work he has done, and the work he is continuously going to be doing in you. It's not a one-day journey, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And the Lord gives you grace.